Meaning of humbly.
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 Humbly. Humbly is an adverb that conveys the sense of modesty or humility in speech or actions. It suggests a lack of arrogance or pride, and an attitude of respect towards others. To behave humbly is to be unassuming and to avoid boasting or flaunting one's achievements. This can help foster positive relationships and engender trust and admiration from others. Overall, humbly is a valuable trait that can benefit both oneself and those around them by promoting humility and grace in interactions with others.